Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you add audio in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you can see, I've already added some videos and some audios here. So in order to add some record or audio, all we need is just to find the left top window right up here and then just click on media. So after that, we'll open our library of imported videos, imported photos, imported audios. So all we need is just to click on import right up here and then just find the necessary audio on our PC. On MacBook, the navigation looks like this. On Windows, it may look a little bit different, but the steps are quite the same. So just choose it and then just click on import. The basic steps, just like with video. So now we can edit on our timeline. And the next thing I wanted to show you is how can you voice over and record your voice in this app. Sometimes it could be also helpful. So all we need is just to click on this icon with microphone, click on our timeline in the top of the timeline, click on record, and this window will appear. Choose the necessary device, let it be like my MacBook microphone. Enable echo reduction. I think it will help, and then just click on this icon to start recording. So then it will be like 3, 2, 1, and now we are voiceovering. As you can see on our timeline, we are voiceovering our video. So to stop, we need to click on this to end recording, and now basically our audio was successfully also added to our library, as you can see, and now it's on our timeline. So now we can just choose these two audios. We can just add fade in, add fade out, use noise reduction, and some other options. So this is a way how we can import and use audio in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.